regarding what are the things which zakah becomes an obligation upon the Muslim?
The things on which zakat has to be paid, which is binding on a Muslim, which becomes obligatory on a Muslim. Number one, it is gold. But naturally, all these things should reach the nisab level, then becomes compulsory. Number one is gold. Number two is silver. Number three is jewelry and ornaments which contain gold and silver. Number four is farm products. Number five is the cattle. Number six is merchandise and goods of trade. Number seven is business activities. Number eight is money, or you can say currency notes. And the ninth thing on which zakat is compulsory is the stock in trade. So these are the 9 types of category of things on which zakat is compulsory and binding.